Here we are back with another Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing videos. This time I got a booster pack Roulette. It's bought a bunch of different boosters, so we'll see what we get this time. So this one here is Legend of Blue Eyes, old school one. We'll see what it has. Ooh. Oh, Skull Servant, Mountain, Skull Redbird, Masaki, the Legendary Swordman, Two-Pronged Attack, the Furious Sea King, Sparks, Flame Manipulator, Dark Thorns. So this was the rare Two-Pronged Attack. That's not that great. So then we'll open this one here. Booster pack, 2 rares and 8 commons. So you could see these, some of these ones come with cards in the back. So we'll check those out before we open. Oh, that looks cool. Before we open the actual pack. Let's put that there. Number 71, Barbarian Shark, Agent of Miracle Jupiter, Rise of Full Height, Gear Adventure, Black Wing Decay, the Ill Word. You know, some nice. You got some rares, extra rares, nice. Okay, we're gonna open the actual pack this time. So I'm bad with the names, so I'm not gonna say all of them. I don't wanna take too long with the video, and I don't wanna just sound bad with them. So Terra the Terrible, I remember that guy. And the rare is Dragon Capture Jar. That's unfortunate. I was hoping to pull something nice from there, but that's okay. So the next one we got here is Invasion of Chaos. Has things in the back, so we're gonna open this up and see what it gives us. Okay, I'll put this here for now. Crystal Quan and Yugioh Turner are the rares, and these are the other ones. Oops, I was getting a bit off the camera. Yeah, I don't use any of those cards. Okay, we're gonna open Invasion of Chaos. Let's see what we pull. So normally I'd buy a booster box, as you could see in the background, but today we switched it up with whatever. Oh man, this guy sucks. Lenkunga, Dimension of Chaos, same thing. Then we got Hoshingen and Little Chimera for the rares. And some other cards here. I don't use any. Oh, Breaker. I have them already though. Okay, this one is Dimension of Chaos. Let's see what this is. I don't think I'm gonna buy those ones with the cards in there already. Dark Contract with Swamp King. It's the rare. DDD Wave King Caesar. Getting all these not that great cards. Whatever. Next one here is the Secret Forces. Same thing. Let's see what we get here. Oh. There we go. What's this? Neospacian Future or Flare Scarab. Ninjutsu Art of Transformation. Some ninja stuff. Cyber Dragon. Ooh. Okay, here we go with the Secret Forces. Let's see what they give us. Here we go. Oh yeah, buddy. Necros of Unicorn. Secret Rare. Armageddon Knight. Armageddon Knight, my bad. Dijin Curse Chanter of Rituals. Yosen Training Grounds. Manju of 10,000 Hands. Nice. Okay, here's the next one. Duelist Alliance. Okay, let's see what they give us. This one's a thick pack, eh? Let's see here. Boom. Number 58. Ooh, Rise of the Mega Monarch, Shadow Doll Dragon. Wow. looks cool. So that's 2 secret rares pulled so far. Okay, Breakers of Shadow. Let's see what they give us. Normally only get like 2 secrets a box, so right now we're doing well. Unless you get those packs that have secrets in the supers. Super Heavy Samurai Magnet. Magister Supercell. Steel Cavalry of Dion. Oh, that's a good card. Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. So that's those 2 from that. Okay, now we got a good amount of these ones. Judgment of Light. Let's see what we get from these guys. Okay, we got Trapster and Nephius, or whatever his name is. Archfiend Emperor, the First Lord of Horror. It's the rare from here. I believe I got that in Ultra. It was some sort of a special promotion from the card shop who gave it to me. When they do those. Mega Phantom Beast Harland. Number 102 Star Seraph Sentry. It's the rare from this one. Okay, next one, Judgment of Light again. What do you have for us? XYZ Revenge Shuffle. DZW Chimera Clad. Mega Phantom Beast Blue Whale Impala. Nice. An Ultra and a rare. Okay, so the next one's Judgment of Light. Let's see here. Sargasso Lighthouse. What else? We got V Salamander. That's the one we got this time. Moving the cards out the way here. The comments. They're just in my way here, sorry. Go back to the action here. Boom. That's what everyone wants to see. Opening. Star Seraph Sage. Number 104. Masquerade. Fire Formation Yoko. Those are the rares for that one. Now we got another Judgment of Light. Got a few left. Put them in one pile. We got this guy. Let's see here. Moon Dance Ritual. And that's the rare from this one. Judgment of Light again. Let's see here. What do we got? The Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Kirin. That's the rare from there. There's 2 left of the Judgment of Light. Let's see if we bust out a secret for us. Oh, these cards are in the way again. Hold on a second. Fire Fencing Ferret. Black and White Wave. Tour Bus of Forbidden Realm. And those are the rares for this one. That one. Last one. Come on, give me the guy on the cover. Whoever that is. I don't even know those packs. I wasn't playing at this time. But now I got these. Let's see here. Corrupted Keys. Bunjini Quillen. 2 rares that time. A rare and a super rare, technically. My bad. Okay, now we got One Toon Chaos. Let's see what we got from here. Hook us up. Boom, Witch of the Black Forest. And Frightful Sabertooth. I got him already. Alright. Now we got Battle of Legends Armageddon. I believe I got 2 of these. Let's see what we got from here. Maljort Angeli, a secret rare. Wonderful. Super All-In, Ultra. Valorant Fawn, Mystical Beast of the Forest, Ultra, nice. Top, oh my god, I'm not even showing you guys, sorry. Maldich Angeli, Super All-In. Baradon, Mystical Beast of the Forest. Topologic Zaboros. Gyro Guardian. Wow, those are nice cards. I didn't know Battle of Legends Armageddon was all ultras like that. And supers. Or secrets. Let's see this one. Boom. Fossil Warrior Skull King. That's the secret in this one. Invoke Asylum. Gyro Defender. Penguin Torpedo. Kokia Miro Dragon. So we didn't pull the best card from there, but we got some nice looking cards. Next one, the Rage of Ra. I believe the best of this, but I can't be for sure. But I believe they are. Let's see what we get here. Jinzo Lord, cool. And Everlasting Alloy. Oh, it's a regular rare. Okay, next one, Rage of Ra. Will we pull the Dragon of Ross, the Ghost? Or at all? Psychic Mega Cyber. Let's see here. Next one. Okay. Boom. Token Sundance, Ra's Disciple, Cyber Energy Shock. So far they ain't giving us nothing shiny. Come on, Rage of Ra. Give us some good stuff. The good stuff. Let's see. Jinzo, cool. I didn't know he was in this set. Nice. I like that card. That's nostalgia for me. Remember when he was just in the secret rare. Chaos Infinity Reboot. Cosmic Channeling. Okay. Come on. Let's get these ultras or secrets or ghost from Lucky. Boom. Token Stampede. Mecha Lord Assembly and Cyber Energy Shock. 2 rares in this one. Okay, we're almost done. It's been a long video. Let's see here. Amplifier. Reactor Slime is the rare. And this one. This feels like a cheap pack. 5 cards and there's silver rares and commons. Damn. Feels like they rip you off a little bit. Psychic Mega Cyber. But they're pretty cheap though too. They're almost like $1 each actually, these cards, based on the store price. Let's see if we even pull one. Oh! Merklord Astro Dragon Tristyon Ultra and Everlasting Alloy. And finally, the final pack. Here we go. Ghost Rare Dragon Ra, hopefully. Okay, Chaos Infinity. Nope. Mound of Bound Creator. Alright, well, we'll get the rares together and let you know if we made money off this or not. Alright, so here's our pull of all our rares, excluding the silver prints. So it doesn't look like any of these cards are worth that much, so we probably lost money overall. Maybe made like 1/3 back. But overall we got 1, 2, 3, 4 secret rares. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ultras, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 supers. So as a business it didn't make money, but as a collector we got some nice arts, so maybe it'll be worth something in the future. But thanks for watching, and I'll be posting more videos in the future. Goodbye.